Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about Ragda Patties. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with 250 grams White Watana soak. Transfer it to a cooker. And add water with 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and cook it. Separately, take 1 tablespoon oil, 1 big onion chopped, and cook till it turns translucent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger-garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, salt, now add 2 tomatoes chopped and cook till it turns nice and mushy. Then add 1 green chilli chopped. Add the cooked white watana and give it a mix. Add water as per your requirement and cook well. Add some coriander leaves. Now take 500 grams of boiled potatoes, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, salt to taste, and cornstarch. And mix well. Apply oil on your palms and make the patties. Take some oil and fry the patties. Serve it with ragda on a plate. Pour some sweet chutney and green chutney. And place the patties on top of it. Top them up with some more chutney. And chopped onion and save. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then,